time, kids.
Pumpkin in the patch, orange and out. Radish in the dirt, hiding underground. Cauliflower white like a fluffy cloud. Brinjal purple, standing proud. Veggies in the garden, growing so tall. Pick them fresh, let's eat them all. Ladyfinger green, slim and long. Onion in the stew, makes it strong. Ginger and garlic, add some spice. Beetroot red, oh so nice. Veggies in the kitchen, tasty and bright. Cooking them up feels just right. Corn on the cob, yellow and sweet. All these veggies, what a treat. In the garden, they grow so tall. Let's eat them up, one and all. Veggies on our plates, colors and cheer. Eating them up, let's give a cheer. Thanks for watching Time, kids.